Hey everyone, welcome back to the Altenew YouTube channel. This is Miriam Perez and I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. I am super excited to be back with a new video tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be working with the beautiful bloomy mandalas stamp set that you can see here on the screen. The 6x8 stamp set is part of the new June release, and it features 2 intricate and sophisticated mandala designs with hints of botanical and floral details and also 6 inspiring sentiments. There is also a coordinating die set available, which I don't have right now, but I put an image here on the screen so you guys can see it. Alright, let's get started. So I went ahead and gold heat embossed 2 big mandalas onto watercolor paper. This is the 9x12 inches paper pad from Altenew, which comes with 12 sheets, and it is cold pressed paper, so it has a slide texture. I didn't show the embossing part here because I've shared it in previous videos, so I didn't think it was really necessary. As usual, I used the Altenew embossing ink to stamp the images, then sprinkled some antique gold embossing powder and used my heat gun to melt the powder. Now, to color the images, I'm going to be using some watercolor brush markers from the Tropical Fiesta set, a watercolor brush for my stash, and a little bit of water. So I don't think there is really a correct or a specific way on how to color a mandala, so you can do pretty much whatever you want here. I was really inspired by one of the examples from the packaging trifold, and I really liked the look of that particular mandala, so I tried to kinda replicate that look by using some colors that coordinated with the photo that I was planning on using for this layout. I didn't really worry about shadows or highlights while I was coloring this mandala because I just wanted to enjoy the process. So whenever I wanted to have a darker area, I just simply loaded my brush with less water and more pigment, and that way I was able to create some sort of a depth effect on the image. Okay, now I'm going to leave you guys with some music and I'll be back soon. Alright, so now that we've finished coloring our images, yes, I colored 2 of them, I'm going to take my fine tip scissors and fussy cut across the edge of the image, leaving a small white border all the way around. If you have the coordinating dies, you can use them for this part if you want to. Now, I cut one of the mandalas in half, so I could have 3 pieces instead of only 2, and that way balance out my design a little bit. So I'm using an 18.5 by 11 inches white sheet of cardstock for the background. Then for my photo, I added a couple of layers behind with some pattern paper from the Blushing Blooms paper pack, and also created a tag from one of the navy blue papers from the Satin set. For the title, I stamped the word picture with letters from the Mega Brush Alpha stamp set using Dark Night Crisp dye ink, and then cut out some letters from the Simple Alpha die set to spell out the word time. So what I'm going to do here is to adhere all the elements I showed earlier in place using double-sided tape and foam adhesive for some other elements like my photo, for example, just to give a little bit more dimension to the page. Next, to finish up my layout, I will add some sequins and enamel dots here and there, and that is gonna be it for today. Before this video ends, I wanted to mention that I have 2 more ideas using the Blooming Mandalas stamp set over at the Altenew Mixed Media blog, so make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, the link is down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!